My name is Paul Tsiampas. Pigeons has always been my hobby. So then I got into the racing business and people think I'm for the birds. Well, one day I was going to the YMCA and there was a little baby squeaker. So I picked him up and I said, I'm going to take him home and make sure he gets feed and water, because if you're a farmer, you love and care for animals. So that was the start of the pigeon journey. So that pigeon there led to a couple more pigeons and 3 pigeons and 4 pigeons. I live at 3 Dundas Street East, and I'm a restaurant owner. I've been doing restaurant business with my family almost close to 50 years. And slowly, as the years went by, I got to learn every job in the restaurant, so I became the head chef now. My dad's theory was always been, you have to feed the people. You cannot cut down on your food. You know, you have to make sure the plate is full for the customer, make sure the customer eats well. I work in the restaurant, and if I ever get 10-15 minutes, I just run up the stairs and I go up to my loft, and I think I'm in paradise. You can be really tired, and the minute I get to the top of the stairs, I forget everything what was downstairs, how hard I worked, and then I go into my own little world, and maybe like somebody will take their hockey bag and go skating. I just go upstairs for the birds. Nobody really can understand how a little brain like they have on, how they can get themselves so on track to come back to such a little home what they own. And you have to treat them like love and care. They fly for the loft, they fly for feed and water, a little bit of love, what you give them. You get really attached to them. They become like children to you, you know what I mean? And you can't be rough. So if you look after them when they're babies, and they will do the work for you at the end. It's an excitement. You get a big thrill out of it. I'm not a guy to brag about it. I'm determined, and I want to win. As you get older, you're more for the birds because you got nothing else except the birds.